Hello students, how are you? Today we will learn fraction. Now look at this ball. This is a complete ball. If I break it from the middle, what you can see? The ball has broke in equal parts. Means this, suppose this green part and this orange part, the shape of these two parts are same. So you can call it the equal parts. Now suppose I am taking a piece of paper and I am tearing it from this point. Now I have teared the paper into parts. Now tell me, are these parts look same? Obviously no. So these kinds of parts are called the unequal parts. So what you have come to know? This is a whole thing, and if I break it like this, these are the unequal parts, and if I break this whole thing like this, these are the equal parts. So these two are the equal parts and these two parts are the unequal parts. So students, have you understood what are the equal parts and what are the unequal parts? Okay, very good. When we break things like this or when we divide things like this, these single parts are called the fraction. Yes, this part, these are the fraction of this whole thing. These two parts are the fraction of this whole thing. Okay students, I hope you have understood what is a whole thing and the fraction is. Okay, bye bye.